The city of Eugene is finding funding for new equipment. The Parks and Rec Department recently spent $5,000, but it didn't cost taxpayers a dime.
Not at all. The city is wheeling and dealing and also giving athletes moving.
Ball, check. Air, check.
Okay, sounds good.
It's game time at Willamette Lane.
Help, help, help!
This isn't basketball or dodgeball. It's called quad rugby.
Just made a goal.
An adaptive, competitive sport. And it's new for Shanti Morel, who was born with a collagen deficiency.
It's really fun to be competitive, but I also make sure I'm not hurting anyone.
She doesn't hold back, nor do the other athletes.
Gotta go with that.
They've been meeting twice a month since April. The city has offered adaptive recreation for 43 years, mostly to those with mental disabilities. But in January of 2012, it became a Paralympic sports club. This year, it purchased 5 new adaptive wheelchairs, 3 for kids and 2 for adults.
Here you go, Shanti.
The slanted wheels allow for quick maneuvering. The feet are reinforced. And there's a back wheel to keep the chair from tipping. But these chairs aren't cheap. The city applied for a $10,000 grant from the Christopher Reeve Foundation to purchase 5 of them. It only received a $5,000 grant. Patty Prather, the adaptive recreation programmer, did some wheeling and dealing and found a Hood River company going out of business.
He said, I can sell you 5 of them for the amount of money that you have.
It was a done deal. Now these youth are learning from veteran athletes.
And I run into him. Then I'm outside. It's important for young people with disabilities to see adults with disabilities that have an active lifestyle.
Shanti's mom couldn't be prouder.
And it's really fun for her to have this kind of arena to get to enjoy being competitive.
No limits, no holding back.
This kind of a program is all about sharing possibilities.
And for some, that possibility could mean being a para-Olympian.